Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make this decadent chocolate cake with melted chocolate bar on top. So first let's make this super easy eggless chocolate cake. So into a bowl add some vegetable oil with some yogurt, milk and some sugar. Mix it really well until the sugar gets dissolved. Then sift in all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Mix and combine it really well. Finally add some vinegar, mix it really well. Now the cake batter is ready. Transfer it into a cake mold. Tap it to get rid of all the air bubbles, then bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now unmold it onto a serving tray, then place a chocolate bar on top of the cake, then microwave it for 5 minutes until it's melted. Now while it is still warm, you can cut and serve the cake. As you can see, the melted chocolate on top of the cake goes really well. This decadent chocolate cake, everyone will be fond of it. So do try out this recipe, leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot, watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.